the latest coming in from the Apex Court. Viewers, the Supreme Court has come down heavily on comedian Samay Raina and influencer Ranveer Allahbadia over alleged non-compliance with its earlier directions. The court said Samay Raina had taken the court for a ride, termed it a brazen violation of undertakings, imposed a 3 lakh rupee fine on him and granted 15 days to file a compliance affidavit, warning of further action if he fails to do so. Let's go across to my colleague Harish joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Harish, give us the context here.
Yes, that's right, Hina. Supreme Court has once again pulled up stand-up comedians Samay Raina and Ranveer Allahbadia and imposed a rupees 3 lakh cost on them, observing that they have taken the court for a ride. Supreme Court Chief Justice Bench observed that they have not complied with the undertaking given to the court in the matter concerning making vulgar jokes, vulgar comments, and for Samay Raina for insensitive jokes on persons with disabilities. Remember, the Supreme Court initially Chief Justice asked, have they reformed any follow-up action? Lawyer for Raina said complaints affidavit have been filed on all orders. But yesterday, before the hearing, another affidavit was to be filed, but Supreme Court found that no affidavit had been filed. Remember, Hina, Supreme Court had introduced a very unique punishment for influencers Samay Raina and 4 others of India's Got Talent show for mocking persons with disabilities, especially those afflicted with SMA. The standard comedian was asked to do at least 2 events a month to generate funds to provide timely treatment to differently abled / afflicted with SMA, invite the differently abled who are doing well to shows and explain their success notes. But though an affidavit was filed 4 months back, the affidavit which Supreme Court has asked yesterday was not filed, though the lawyer claimed that it had been filed. So the rupees 3 lakh fine has been imposed and a 15 days time has been given to Samay Raina to file the affidavit.
But I was just looking at the observations that you've shared with us that were made by the Supreme Court earlier. I mean, they are quite stern. One, the Supreme Court observed that these are self-styled youth icons. No doubt Samay has taken the court for a ride.
Yes, Hina. In fact, the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who appeared for the center, said that they call themselves icons. But then the Chief Justice said, we can only say that they are self-styled icons. Our youth has different, much bigger, much better icons. I don't know who is treating them as icons. This is what the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta told the bench. Why they are being called youth icons? Our youth have better icons. The Supreme Court also told the center that we are firmly putting the OTT and YouTube and social media channels under scanner, and center has to come out with guidelines to regulate social media, OTT and YouTube channels.
All right.